question pertains to compliance with Section 110.9 of an unspecified electrical code, likely the National Electrical Code, regarding interrupting rating. A 208Y/120 volt three-phase service is supplying a restaurant. Calculations have been performed to determine the available short-circuit current. The engineer's calculations include an initial symmetrical short-circuit current of 26,559 amps and a motor contribution of 53.78 amps. From these, F equals 1.732 times 93 feet times 26,559 divided by 1 times 12,843 times 208, which equals 1.6014. Then M equals 1 divided by the quantity 1 plus 1.6014, which equals 0.3844. 26,559 times 0.3844 equals 10,209 amps root mean square. The first question concerns the origin of the 12,843 value in the calculation. The second question is whether the installation complies with Section 110.9 if the main breaker and feeder panel are each rated for 10,000 amps interrupting capacity and the branch circuit breakers are also rated for 10,000 amps interrupting capacity. The value of 12,843 is derived from tables present in Article 100, Definitions. The value labeled C for a 208Y/120 volt three-phase system is 12,843. This value is a constant used in a calculation to determine the available fault current. It depends on the voltage of the circuit. The installation does not comply with Section 110.9 of the code. Section 110.9 requires that the interrupting rating of overcurrent protective devices, such as circuit breakers and fuses, must be equal to or greater than the available fault current at the point where the device is installed. In this scenario, the calculated available fault current is 26,559 amps root mean square. The main breaker and the feeder panel are both rated for an interrupting capacity of only 10,000 amps. Since the available fault current, 26,559 amps, exceeds the interrupting rating of the main breaker and feeder panel, 10,000 amps, the installation does not comply with the requirements of Section 110.9. The overcurrent protective devices must be able to safely interrupt the available fault current to prevent equipment failure or dangerous conditions.